Through continuous innovation, FastenMaster has worked with leading deck builders and board manufacturers to make Cortex faster and easier to use. Now let's show you the enhancements. Cortex plugs now come on collated strips. The board grain is aligned, making it easy to find and install your perfect plug, saving valuable time on the job site. In addition, Cortex now comes packaged with a spotter lid. The spotter lid has wings that consistently gap deck boards 3/16 of an inch. The spotter lid helps to identify pre-drilling locations for capped composite decking, ensuring a clean, finished look every time. The Cortex deck screws now feature the Torx T-Tap drive system, which features a stability button for stick-fit, wobble-free installation. The collated Cortex for decking is available in 2 package quantities: a 100 lineal foot box with spotter lid and the larger 300 square foot bucket. FastenMaster partners with leading deck board manufacturers to offer collated Cortex plugs unique to each of their brands. The Cortex hidden fastening system is now faster and easier with new collated deck plugs.
Makita Impact XPS bits are designed to handle the high torque demands of professional users in all trades, lasting up to 90 times longer than standard bits. Makita has perfected the torsion zone with Impact XPS. Here, an Impact XPS PH2 2-inch power bit is tested against a standard bit. The first standard bit fails just after 0.07 of a second. The second standard bit starts and fails while Makita Impact XPS continues to hold. Pulse torsion rings disperse impact energy through the torsion zone and off the bit tip. The torsion zone has been optimized to flex under load to transfer impact energy. Together, the pulse torsion rings and torsion zone help improve bit life, lasting up to 90 times longer than standard bits.
Ergonomics is human-inspired forms, textures, and angles, a science and an art. So, we set out to create an ergonomic mouse that feels more natural, without compromising a pixel of performance. We made dozens of prototypes and put them into dozens of hands, until we discovered the perfect shape, texture, and the optimal ergonomic angle. Then we tested, retested, and tested again, until we truly elevated ergonomics, proving that we could do this, this, and this. Finally, fired up the machines, brought MX Vertical to life.
Introducing the Hydrolite. For the first time, there is a flashlight that runs on water. How does it work? You just remove the revolutionary hydrocell fuel cell and immerse it in any kind of water for 10 to 12 seconds. When water enters the fuel cell, it immediately begins to generate power. Place the fuel cell back in the Hydrolite, and you have an impressive flashlight. And for those times when the power goes out, the Hydrolite is the perfect light for emergencies.
Hi guys, Taylor Brinson here with Southwire Tools to talk about our new Romex Bosch wire stripper. Our new wire stripper features a patent-pending 90-degree head that strips both 12-2 and 14-2 Romex. The unique design allows for you as a contractor to easily strip inside of a box. It's much safer than using a knife and much more efficient than trying to use a standard wire stripper to strip inside of a box. The wire stripper features a 14-2 and 12-2 stripping head, does both 14 and 12 gauge single conductors, features a large shearing style blade for cutting through the entire jacket, has screw shearing holes, a wire looping hole, and our comfortable double dip handles. The Romex Bosch wire stripper is a faster, safer, and easier way to strip Romex.
The Bosch GCL 180CG12 VMAX Green Beam Connected Crossline Laser with plumb points delivers all-in-one versatility, with highly visible lines and points. They provide horizontal level, vertical alignment and plumb point transfer applications. The tool features Bosch exclusive VisiMax technology, which monitors tool temperature and power consumption to deliver the brightest line for the job. The laser projects visible green lines up to 100 ft, which are up to 4x brighter than standard red beams. The laser features Bosch 12V Max lithium-ion power for extended laser runtime during complex or all-day layout jobs.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its
Flexilla Garden Hose makes working in your garden, washing your car, or just enjoying your yard the carefree experience you deserve. The difference starts with Flexilla's super flexible hose that doesn't kink under pressure. It's lighter than conventional hoses, stands up to tough use, and stays flexible in all weather conditions. Plus, Flexilla is twice the diameter of those flimsy expandable hoses for maximum water flow. Zero memory means your hose lays flat without twisting. Flexilla Garden Hose doesn't fight you when you coil it, and crush-resistant anodized aluminum fittings with durable O-rings provide long-lasting, leak-free connection. For even more convenience, 3, 5, and 10-foot hoses are perfect for connecting reels. All Flexilla hoses, available in lengths up to 100 feet, are drinking water safe. Don't settle for an ordinary water hose when it comes to your precious time in your yard.